Good morning everyone. I'm catching up with you. I'm starting today from the Dover ferry. I was supposed to start earlier, but due to the bad weather I was unable to speak. Just arrived to the terminal, waiting to be loaded on the ship. Just waiting for the lorries to come out, and then we're going. I'll catch up with you later.
Au poste de rassemblement, un membre d'équipage vous remettra un gilet de sauvetage et vous montrera comment le porter.
Hear me, but I'm just outside. It's so rough, windy. It's very windy. This is the forecast today for strong winds, and there's so much wind. The ship is shaking a little bit, but it's fine. It should be fine. France is not visible just yet, unlike last year when it was clear sky. It should be fine. Sunshine, come on, France. Yes, baby. Yes. Hello again. I'm just in Calais. Stopped to get something to eat after the ferry. Refuel the bike, and now I have 602 kilometers to my Airbnb tonight. It shows 6 hours 25 minutes. It shouldn't be. It's probably gonna be longer because you can't drive for so much time without stopping. So it adds up. I should be there around about 7 o'clock, I think. That's in Germany. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Probably you could tell from the noise. It's very windy in France, but at least it's dry, so it will help me dry a little bit, because my jeans get a little bit wet in England. So catch up with you in a bit. Just quick to show you how beautiful this Calais is. This is just a normal little road. The guy was going to fish. He had a fishing rod. So as you can see, 600 kilometers, quite a lot. Long day today, but that will reduce the second day and the third day to where I'm going. I'll tell you where I'm going soon, but not yet. Quick update, just before the border with Luxembourg in Belgium. Stop for stretch, little relax, and carry on another 220 kilometers, 2.5 hours. Now I'm crossing Luxembourg. It's going south of the city of Luxembourg, the capital, and then heading to Germany. I'm gonna stay in Germany tonight. I'll show you when I get close. It's pretty boring. It's mainly motorways, so that's why I'm not really switching on the cameras. Nothing much to see on the motorway, but still sometimes I can show. Hello again. Just arrived in Heinfeld. The shop. Just came out to explore. The weather is amazing now. As you can see, it's a nice little village. Statue here of Z800. I don't know. So I'm gonna, as the weather improves, I'm gonna try to fly the drone now to see how it's from above, because there's some mountain peaks behind the village and all sorts of interesting buildings, and everything around is graveyards, huge acres of graveyards. I think the wind is a bit, so it won't be an issue for the drone. I'll check now. There's a church there. Beautiful place, beautiful little village. Sunset, look at the clouds behind me. They are behind the mountains as well. I'll show you around the Airbnb, and that will be for day one. So this is the Airbnb house. This is the main entrance. Centrum in Balance by Ilona Draibigacher. Very beautiful place. Archway where I park my bike. The room is here. This is the staircase leading to upstairs. I'm gonna switch the light off now because I don't wanna come downstairs after that. This leads to the first floor. We have a little kitchen here, nice and cozy. Bathroom, shower. I'm gonna use it because I was thinking. These are the rooms. I'll take it to my room. And this is my room, which is really nice with my mess on the floor. Really nice size room with a desk, with a chair, my mess, and this is the view towards the street. This is where we came from. Beautiful little place. So this will end up day one from my European trip. Tomorrow it should be shorter day, about 510 kilometers to Austria. Very nice place in Austria as well. So I'll probably have more time to stop and take pictures and talk to you. So bye for now. Stick with me for the second episode, and of course, if you like the video, click the like, click don't like if you don't like it, press share with your friends for them to see, and subscribe to help me boost my confidence and do more videos like this. Nothing else but this. Thank you. Bye for now.